Welcome to Del Rio. Located 150 miles southwest of San Antonio, this beautiful city is within a mile from the Rio Grande and connected to Mexico by Amistad Dam, which is our first stop of the day. And who better to share the history of the celebration than former Del Rio mayor and chair of the Abrazo event, Dora Alcala.
Today is really what we're celebrating for what we called La Fiesta de la Amistad, a feast of friendship.
Yes.
What a beautiful way to celebrate our friendship between two countries, two cities, two states, and just a wonderful opportunity to have a party.
The Abrazo ceremony kicks off with performances and the national anthem sung from both respective countries. Then both mayors and dignitaries from each side meet in the middle at the border for an embrace to commemorate the Treaty of Amistad Dam. It's a true celebration of friendship between Del Rio, Texas and Ciudad Acuña, Mexico. And from one fiesta to another, Fiesta de Amistad parade is the largest parade held in Del Rio. It's also known as the highlight event of the weekend. Organizations and local businesses and schools line the streets of downtown Main Street, decked out in costumes and themed decor. It's a morning filled with spirited fun and music. Following the parade, everyone is invited to an arts and crafts show at Greenwood Park, where local vendors display their works of art, food, and talent for an afternoon of fellowship and community.
I saw it from a mile away and I need it. Mi reina!
They do not break, really sturdy stuff right here. So you know Del Rio, you know this festival more than anyone. So what makes it so special and unique to you?
Friendship. Honestly, the Fiesta de la Amistad represents friendship between two countries, two sister cities, which is Ciudad Acuña and Del Rio, Texas.
Yeah.
Alcalde de los Santos, who's my comrade from Ciudad Acuña, and I, we have a great relationship as far as getting things done in our region.
That's good.
And that extends into the community. As you can see, the people are friendly, people are interacting with each other, and it's awesome.
Outside of the fiesta, Del Rio has so much to offer. From its unique history to the arts and everything in between, we're getting to know it all, starting with the history tour at Whitehead Memorial Museum.
So this is the gravesite of Judge Roy Bean. There's been many books written about him, many TV series and movies. So a lot of people know about the judge. He was more of a moneymaker than a lawman.
A little rebel from time to time.
That's right, yes. So this is our barn exhibit. We have multiple exhibits in this building.
Okay.
Anywhere from pioneers, Native Americans, and even our flood exhibit.
Another local staple, Casa de la Cultura, Del Rio's home of the arts.
So we are a community cultural arts center. We've been up and running since 1980. What's really nice about the organization is we still have a lot of our founding members. So they guide us through our events. They help us out with, you know, any upcoming projects and things like that. And it's really just community-based organizing, from classes from arts to performing arts to visual arts, and even special events like First Friday Art Walk and things like that. We normally have our classes for like our guitar classes, our accordion classes.
Oh, cool.
We even have ballet folclórico, which is our folk dancing. We have our Catrina workshop that we're hosting right now. Our goal is to just educate the community on different forms of art.
you can't go to Del Rio without making a stop at the oldest continuously running winery in Texas. That is Val Verde Winery.
It was founded by Frank Quaglia in 1883. The Lenoir grapes were actually growing here on the property at the time. There was available farmland, and he started making wine for friends and family.
That's awesome.
And that's how it started. We've got about 9 acres total, and then we've got about 700 olive trees that are in production along with the grapes.
Sip on these award-winning wines outdoors while enjoying the gorgeous scenery, or just simply take a complimentary tour and tasting. New to the weekend celebration is Copa de La Amistad, a world-class competition bringing the world's top bull riding competitors to Del Rio's historic Val Verde Fairgrounds. Teams from Mexico, Brazil, Australia, and the U.S. go head-to-head in a friendly battle of the beasts. As our day winds down, there's something else we need to do. That is, feed ourselves with great Tex-Mex food at Memo's.
My in-laws started this in 1936.
Wow.
They sold it to my husband, and it's been in our family since 1959, so we pretty much have had it for 60 years or better.
And the menu has been pleasing locals ever since.
Great environment,
Yes.
great hospitality, and great
Great
food.
There you go.